How to fix Messenger couldn't send message problem. So to do that, all you have to do is to go to your settings here and then go to your general, and under general go to your iPhone storage and just search or look for Messenger here, and just tap on offload app, tap on offload, or for Androids you can clear cache it. And then if you're done reinstalling it for iPhones, don't you worry, offload it. It will not actually clear your information. It will just refresh the application. And then if it doesn't work, there is a possibility that that person has actually blocked you or restricted you for some reason that you cannot send any message. So if you want, you can actually contact the person aside from Messenger and tell him or her that you cannot send any messages there. And basically that is how you fix Messenger couldn't send message problem. Now if it really doesn't work, you can try to install and reinstall the application again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.